We see so many devotees, they're absorbed in the university education, really absorbed, dragging their bodies and their computers from class to class and taking notes. And then somehow they meet a devotee and they hear the philosophy and they read Prabhupada's books and they pray to Prabhupada because they have some sukriti, some sukriti and punya and shraddha, faith in their heart. And suddenly they think, forget it. Why should I become a doctor and take care of people's bodies? People they die. I fix them today, tomorrow they break. Today I fix them and kal tut gaya. They break. Everything, they're finished. So what's the benefit of mundane medical care? There's so many doctors, let them do it. Because some devotee says, oh, you want to be a doctor? You have a desire, you have a bhav to help people? Then why don't you help people become free from death? Why don't you help people become free from misery? Why don't you help people become free from anxiety?